We have to slow down to go under the train tracks now. So we'll go up ahead, just go really slowly under the train tracks.
Under the train tracks?
Under the train tracks. When you go under the train tracks, go slowly.
Why?
Because it's very narrow.
Oh, I see the train tracks now.
Do you see the train bridge?
Why are the train tracks just going straight into the ocean?
Because there's a turning piece in the middle to let boats through. That's why. Do you see the turning piece in the middle?
No. That turns the bridge?
Yeah, the bridge turns sideways so boats can go by, and then it turns so trains can go over it.
Over it?
Huh?
But it goes straight into a bridge. I mean, straight into the ocean. Is there a bridge that haven't turned?
Yeah, the bridge is turned right now for boats to go through.
Oh.
Not stopped, just slow. Just slow.
Oh. Yeah?
So, whose donut was better, mine or yours?
Mine.
What kind of donut did you get again?
Honey cooler.
Oh yeah.